Views of Eagle Mountain Lake, rolling hills. I was told that living here is like being in a Hallmark movie with the holiday lights, views, beautiful homes. We're taking a trip to the community of Talon Hills. Are you ready? Well, I wanted to stand here and position myself so you can take a look at Eagle Mountain Lake behind me. So I'm pretty sure you enjoyed touring Perry Homes' one-story home. And of course, Perry will offer you a two-story home. We know that one size does not fit all, but I also want to share with you another builder out here, and that is Graham Hart. Graham Hart, the model that we're going to tour, is a two-story home. So if you fall in love with this two-story home, but you kind of want a one-story home, well, no worries. You'll be very pleased at what Graham Hart has to offer in both one-story and two-story options. Let's take a stroll inside. This is your Goldilocks moment. Do you think this house feels too big, too small, or just right? And by the way, if this is your first time to this channel, subscribe below, press the bell, and give us a thumbs up. There are so many elevated features in this home, and it is a model home. But as we take this tour, I'm going to point out the options and the standard features. And one of the things that make this home so elegant is your entryway with the tall ceilings. The other thing that some people don't notice is the width of the baseboards. And in this home, the baseboards are 6 inches tall. And that makes any space feel more luxurious. Now let's talk about this gourmet kitchen. Well, you will enjoy 42-inch tall upper cabinets, knotty pine, and the beautiful countertops. Now, as a standard, you will have granite, but you can also, as you can see in this video, enjoy quartz countertop. Your appliances, Frigidaire. And if you like cooking with gas, well, you're going to love cooking in this kitchen. Storage, storage, storage. In fact, if you run out of storage, then I don't know, we need a separate video or some kind of little one-on-one session to help you kind of streamline things, because I would absolutely be impressed if somehow you run out of space here. Now that you have an appreciation for the storage, I want you to have appreciation for the seating, the dining areas. You have the large breakfast bar. You also have this space where you could probably seat, 6 or 8 people here, and a room with a view. Take a look at that backyard. In fact, we're going to look at it a little bit closer when we take a step out on your back patio. But for now, let's stroll into one of the most sacred areas of the house, your secluded oasis, your escape, your primary suite. And if you enjoy taking a bubble bath, just soaking the day away in a nice tub, well, having a soaking tub, a freestanding tub like this one, is an optional feature. And if you watch any of my videos, you know I'm a huge fan of separate vanities. 2 vanities, 1 happy family. And as a standard, on your vanities or countertops, it will be a cultured marble. But if you want a different stone, I'm sure you can have that option. Look at this impressive size walk-in closet. So much storage here. I mean, just overlook the samples. It is a model home, so there are things stored here. But I know for some of you, looking at the size of your primary suite's closet is just as important as the space where you will sleep. Many people enjoy having the laundry room connected to the primary suite. Well, you can have that here, but normally as a standard, there's going to be a wall. To have that convenience is an optional feature. And right here, this base cabinet, that's also an optional feature. You can have options, you just have to pay a little more for them. This home has a little more than 3,400 square feet. So chances are you moving here with your family and maybe a couple of children. And as much as you love your children, sometimes you love them even more outside. And you will enjoy lots here in Talon Hills right now in phase 4 that are at least 60 feet wide. So that's a lot of space. I want to take a step out here so you can get appreciation of what that feels like. And you will notice that you do have a nice covered patio, and I would absolutely recommend a ceiling fan. That is not even optional. you have to get a ceiling fan. After all, we're in Texas. But isn't it nice to be able to dine al fresco? You have that nice breakfast bar, you have the dining room, so many options to enjoy living in this home. Speaking of options, you see the beautiful wood flooring throughout? Well, that's an option. As a standard, you're gonna have ceramic tile flooring in your high traffic areas like your entry hallway, your kitchen, your great room, and of course, the laundry and the bathrooms. One feature that people have grown to appreciate and expect is a nice second downstairs bedroom, and this one has a large walk-in closet and a full bathroom nearby. Although many people are starting to go back into the office space, some of you still work from home. And this is a nice, spacious area to do just that. And I want you to get an appreciation for the storage closet in this office or study. I mean, it's your home, use it however you want. But it does help keep things organized and looking, well, aesthetically pleasing in your private space. Before we explore the second floor, let's take a pause for our station identification. Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people just like you sell and buy homes in and around our Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And I realize you can find out quite a bit online: bedrooms, baths, square feet, price. But what you may not be able to discover is how people really live their lives in our different communities, cities, and suburbs. Well, that's where I come in. I hop in the car and I drive around so you can have the bird's eye view, VIP access of how people really live their lives. And if you like to be in the know, then you're going to want to subscribe below, press the bell. You'll be notified anytime anything goes down around town. And don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Now back to the video. Let's take a look around at your second floor retreat, where you obviously have this really large open loft, and beyond the double doors, spacious media room. And what I like about this media room is that you can really keep it neat and orderly. You have a lot of shelving here where you can stash your games, your blankets, you know, your family. You know, you could always use a little bit more organization in hiding some of those things that, well, have a tendency to make your space look less tidy. You'll also find 2 generous sized bedrooms, great closets with a large shared bathroom. Now it's time for your recap. Remember at the beginning of the video, I said this is your Goldilocks moment. Does this home feel too big, too small, or just right? Well, this is the Lawson floor plan, and it has 3,416 square feet. Remember, it has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. Don't forget upstairs, you have the loft, you have the media room, and you have the study downstairs. Well, maybe you feel like, I don't know if this is the best fit. Well, that's okay, because Graham Hart Homes has options. You can build a home ranging from around 2,248 square feet up to around 3,500 square feet. And these homes right now in phase 4 are on 60-foot wide lots, and some even larger. So you have the option of a 3-car garage. So let me know, does this one fit just right? This is a section of the video I call Know Before You Go. And there are 2 important things I want to share with you. The first is the price, and price is always subject to change. When we discuss price, it's the introductory price. It's getting you into the community, into the home. Now, you know you've lived with you all of your life, and you know that you don't like things that are basic. So if you have a tendency to like to execute your options to upgrade, then whatever price we've given you as a base price, you can probably add on a little bit more money to get what you want. You know, the view that you want of Eagle Mountain Lake or the rolling hills, well, that might be a lot premium, but here is the good news. Lean in. Right now, the builders are offering so many incredible incentives, whether it's the price of the house or the interest rate. So the things that you at one point thought were out of reach, is in the palm of your hand. And that leads me to point number 2. Grab your phone and give me a call. There are so many incredible things that are available to you that I want to share with you. And number 3 is, hey Tracy, do I need a realtor to buy a new home in Talon Hills? Well, that's a yes and a no. No, you don't actually have to have a realtor, but the yes part is that would be the wisest thing for you to do, because you deserve a level of representation, advocacy. Someone is looking out for you in your best interest and have your back during this real estate transaction. The builder representatives that you will meet over at the model home, they are friendly, they're knowledgeable, and they will treat you right. But their fiduciary duty is to the person they work for, and that person is the builder. So if you're watching this video, you are intelligent enough to understand the importance of representation, and I will be honored to represent you. Well, undoubtedly, you have the most beautiful home in the whole community, city, and probably state of Texas. And you have so many great things you can do right there in your community. I mean, you're right there near Eagle Mountain Lake. You can rent a boat ramp, or there are a number of storage places that you can use to store your boat. But if you're like most people, you're gonna gas up the car and go explore the things to do around the community of Talon Hills. And here are a few things you will enjoy. As we take a look at this map to give you a greater perspective, you can see how close your community is to Eagle Mountain Lake. And then if you go a little bit farther, just a little bit farther south, you're going to run into Fort Worth Nature Center and Preserve. And I will guarantee that if you like outdoor, you're going to love going to Fort Worth Nature Center and Preserve. And while you're out there and exploring, you might as well go to Eagle Mountain Park. And when I say park, we're not talking about your ordinary neighborhood park. We're talking 400 acres of paths, trails, hiking, see the wildlife, fish. There's a lot you can do to enjoy there. But maybe you're saying, Tracy, the lake and, oh God, the idea of hiking, not my thing. Well, no worries. Just travel about 12 miles to the city of Fort Worth, and there's no way you're not going to Fort Worth. This is where we have so much culture and history. Well, for one thing, you're going to go check out the number of museums we have. Bass Performance Hall. There are a number of restaurants. You can enjoy Sundance Square, the Stockyard. So much to do that I could just go on and 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 on. But, gas up the car and explore for yourself. And in case you want some more adventure, I mean, you already enjoying the country lifestyle living in Talon Hills. Just travel west about 28 miles. You're going to hit the city of Weatherford. There is so much history and culture there. Downtown Weatherford, beautiful. Weatherford is also known as our peach capital of Texas. And of course, you can enjoy Lake Weatherford. Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people just like you sell and buy homes in and around a Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex. And by now, you probably have Talon Hills on your short list. And I realize different people watch these videos for different reasons. Maybe you enjoy watching real estate related videos, or maybe you know someone who's thinking about making a move. Then share this video and my information. Comment below, grab one of those one-on-one consultation links, because there are so many incredible savings and deals to be had to help you move into these communities. Let's get together and discover which city, community, and suburb is the best place for you to create your new memories and call home.